When you shop here, do you really ever lose?
Oh, I have the
Scissor.
Stop it, Miss Sizzurp. Ooh, I'm gonna live in this thing, no joke.
Scissor.
We're doing a mystery unboxing.
Hell yeah, let's go.
Alright, so you got a jack left. Alright, grab it. Oh, look at that, you won the free hat. Oh, you won.
Good luck.
There you go.
Oh, you got a Jack Flaps too. That's an air freshener.
You
Coconut.
guys really go.
Jack Flaps. Miss Sizzurp.
Stop it, Miss Sizzurp.
Ooh, there's more cool stuff in here. Sizzurp. We are here at Sanctuary in Danvers, everybody. And we're doing a mystery pint glass. What's your name?
Jessie.
Jesse. I
you
want.
ready?
Nobody's won yet the grand prize. So
Gosh. All right, fingers crossed.
fingers crossed.
Here we go.
You're looking for either the goldfish or the maple syrup.
Okay, show me what we got. Show me what we got. My strength.
You can do it. You can do it. Wow, you really went through that.
I went so hard. Okay, love.
So you got a sticker.
Oh, I got a koozie. I love my
Koozie.
koozie. A shot.
That is a air
Is that a
freshener.
shot? Oh my god, I love that.
Bomb pop shot.
Okay, dun, 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 dun.
And the glass is you won.
Shut up!
Holy
I got
shit.
the syrup.
Yeah, you won the grand prize. Oh, I didn't tell you what it is, did you?
I don't know, but I love this. I got the syrup.
So here is.
With the sexy legs.
Yes, that is Miss Sizzurp.
Oh, stop it, Miss Sizzurp.
So you actually won a mystery bag.
Mystery bag.
Yeah.
Do I open it? Do it.
Yeah, you want to open it up?
Stop it. Something squishy. Stop it.
Yep.
What is
So
this thing?
that's
Is
Hot
that a
Diggity.
hot dog?
That's Hot Diggity Dog.
Hot Diggity Dog. Oh, I can't wait.
So there you go. I appreciate it. And is it? There might be other
And
little
I got
things
a
in
bag.
there.
And I got a bag and oh my god, there's more things in there.
You guys, we have a celebrity in the house right now.
I'm a celebrity.
See that girl over there?
Oh wait, is that she's got a celebrity.
The Bong character that I have right here is
Yeah.
based off of her.
Oh my god, stop. Oh my god, I love that. It's so cool. I know another show.
All right, yeah, there you go.
Oh my god.
Not bad for $20, right?